Bore da. My name is Nikki, and this art video has been made especially for some children that I was working with before the lockdown. We were doing a project about giants, and I have made them a special video about how to make a collage with giant insects. So are you ready for the giant Minibeast takeover? Yay!
Saying.
What is it? Is it what kind
a
of
spider?
And what's it doing?
It's just in the city, you see.
Yeah. And what's it saying?
It's just saying, I love the city and it's my favourite place. I love the parks and all of the stuff.